Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate. In this section, we're going to see I2C, which is inter-integrated circuit memory dumping. So in this case, you can see I'm using exploit Nano, and you can see on my left-hand side that is here 85 batch. So you can use anything, okay, whatever you want. If you want to use this I2C, you can also use it. There are many things are here, like SPI, I2C, UART, and many other option. Okay, you will get it here, right? So in this case, okay, like what I'm going to do is in this device we have two pins which basically belongs to SDA, and one pin belongs to SCL, which is serial data and serial clock. So SDA basically 3 and 4 pin. So I need to sort this pin, okay, to with the help of breadboard, and you can see here is basically I'm sorting the SDA pin, the two pins 3 and 4, I guess in the Nano I'm sorting, and then the connection I'm making, okay, here with SDA, which is data, and you can see clearly I got the result and I'm able to successfully able to dump the information from here. Okay, so if you want to learn all these, okay, check my offensive IoT live sessions. I'm going to explain, okay, in more detail there. I'm just creating a POC for you.